Would you like to create characters that actually look like the person you're referencing? Something that works even better and is more customizable than ChatGPT's sick new image generator? Midjourney v7 just dropped something called Omni Reference, and it's totally crazy. This method gives you consistent, professional results. I'll show you how to use one image, like an image of this total babe, and turn it into 5 different cartoon styles without changing the look of the character. We got caricatures, we got Disney, we got 1980s cartoons, and so much more. You'll want to stick around and watch the whole video so you can run the prompts with us. Let's party. Alright, here's what you need to know before you start running the prompts. Number 1, Omni Reference equals image consistency. Now, Omni Reference lets you anchor an image like a beautiful character face of this babe, so Midjourney keeps using it across styles. In Midjourney version 7, it's essentially replacing the cref parameter or character reference and works much better. So use it. Number 2, adjust Omni weight wisely, my friend. Omni weight tells Midjourney how strongly you want to reference your image. Now, by default, this is set to 100, but the scale goes from 0 to 1000. So, some creators have said you should use 80 for like a nice balance between likeness and creativity. Personally, I like setting it much higher. So go higher if you want accuracy based on the image that you give to Midjourney, or go lower if you want to get weird. Number 3, style leads the prompt. Start your prompt with the style first, like flat cartoon style or Disney Pixar style. Number 4, use stylized permutations. You can trigger multiple image generations across multiple styles, all with one press of the return key. I'll show you how to do that later in the video. It's a time saver and you gotta try it. Number 5, skip the celebrity names. Do not put celebrity or character names in your prompts. Say man in a black suit or something like that. Describe it. Do not give actual name, okay? What happens is names confuses Midjourney, bro. And also, sometimes it can actually get your prompt rejected by the AI doorman. You don't want that either. Not cool. Number 6, remix strong results. You got a good one? Build off it. Click the subtle or strong vary button so you're not starting from scratch every time. I'll show you that later as well. And last but not least, number 7, styles behave differently. As always with AI, sometimes it takes experimentation and some styles work better than others. Like look at this babe style versus this babe style. Sometimes they look different, sometimes they're gonna be better. Simple, right? Lock in these tips and you'll be rolling dice and making millionaire images with Midjourney version 7. Now let's get on with the actual tutorial. To find our Omni image, we went to startpage.com, typed in Karen Crazy, clicked on images, and it was like the second and third image that popped up. So I don't know who the firsttv.com is, but they are excellent at SEO because this senator is the definition of Karen, in my opinion. But hey, we're not biased here at Run the Prompts. We think so, don't worry about it. Anyways, that's where we got our Omni Reference image, and you can get it wherever you want. You can even make one of yourself, or of your girlfriend, or of your son, or whoever. Go crazy. Quick pause. Do you like ChatGPT? Then you'll love Venice. Venice.ai is private and uncensored. And today, for a limited time, you can get 20% off just by going to the promo code in the description below, copying it and pasting it into Venice.ai. See you there. First up, we have the Caracature Style. So I'm gonna copy and paste the prompt that I put together for you guys. Copy it into here, paste it, And as you can see, there's a little tile here that's brand new for Midjourney 7 called Omni Reference, and right next to it is a picture of a total babe. Now you guys already saw that picture before, so I'm not going to give it to you again, but all you got to do is drag an image inside of there. There's also this little bar that you can manually adjust the Omni weight if you'd like. I personally like to just put it in the prompt because it's a little bit easier, especially for you guys, because you can just copy and paste what I did so you don't have to think. Also, this little S400, 600, 800 guy at the end is what I alluded to a little bit earlier in this video when I talked about how you can generate multiple S variations all at the same time. So what it's going to do is it's going to run this prompt at a style setting of 400, 600, and 800 all at the same time so you can quickly get the ones that you like. All right, so let's try this out. Let's run this prompt. And just like that, guys, we have a style weight of 800 right here. We have a style weight of 600 right here. And we have a style weight of 400 at the bottom below. So now we have a ton of different examples that we can choose from, and we can find the one we like best. All right. This one caught my eye. I thought this one was pretty rad. She's looking really sexy with her gun and everything. So now all I have to do is click on this vary of strong or subtle. I like strong personally. Hey, you can click whatever you want. Okay, now you get out of it, and all of a sudden you have more variations, and these variations are based on what you like. So this is the quickest way you can get what you want. And as you can see, we have 4 different variations of that style that I really liked, just like that. Now let's check out our 2D flat animation style. By the way, guys, you can get all of these prompts, copy and paste. Just look in the video description below. All right, let's copy it and paste it in. Boom! And as you can see, guys, we have a 2D flat animation style. Kind of looks like a 2D character that has come to life and is now in 3D, with the exception of this one. This was literally just 2D, so I don't know what I was thinking with that, but both of them are kind of correct in their own way. And as I said earlier, guys, different styles are going to work a little bit better than others, and sometimes minor tweaks to prompts are going to make huge differences. So be sure to experiment with your prompts, okay? You need to experiment. Also, this is pushing the boundaries of what Midjourney even wants to allow. Think about it. We're using a public figure, and we're using a G something N, don't want to get demonetized or whatever, and that combination is something Midjourney does not like. So sometimes if you tweak the prompts I give you just a little bit, the ones in this video at least, it's going to set off the alarm bells, and Midjourney is going to say no bueno, bro. So keep that in mind. Next up, we have Disney style. A lot of you guys probably love Disney. I don't. I think it kind of sucks, but hey, whatever. We're going to copy and paste it in and see what happens. And as you can see, guys, our babe Karen has turned into a Disney character. I think this one is most Disney-esque, if you will. But yeah, try this one out too. Experiment with it. See what happens for you guys. Next up, we have 1980s style cartoon. Just like the decade I was born. Believe it or not. So, we're gonna copy paste and put it in. And by the way, guys, I might be saying I'm just gonna copy paste. Well, it took me some time to actually get prompts that worked. So, hey, it's not like I'm just finding these from copypastemidjourney.com, okay? Anyways, so go like that. And as you can see, guys, these two on the right are definitely much more 1980s style than the other ones. Kind of looks like Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles-esque a little bit, but yeah, it captures it pretty nice, not bad. Last but certainly not least, we have Resident Evil video game style. Now, as you can see from this prompt, I literally put in PlayStation with pixelated graphics, as in like PlayStation 1, for all of you who don't even know what that is. It happened a long time ago, and yeah, this is right about on par, probably a little bit worse, but hey, this is right on. I mean, it looks just like Senator Karen, just like her, okay? And it is 100% Resident Evil style PlayStation. It nailed all 4. Good job, Midjourney. Very good job, Midjourney. That'll do it for this edition of Run the Prompts. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't be a loser, because we need that kind of support in order for this channel to grow. And we're almost to 1,000 subscribers, guys, so be sure to do your part too. Anyways, use the Omni Reference tool in Midjourney to change the way you make cartoon characters of whatever you want. Also, be sure to check out runtheprompts.com for more cool content just like this, only it's in written form. Anyways, I'll see you guys later. Be sure to run the prompts and prompt the planet.